Good morning, children. Welcome to Trinity Metric Academy. Today, I am your English miss. Today, I am going to teach you a new lesson, Meena's letter. Meena's letter. This girl, Meena, is writing a letter to her grandfather, Nanu. Meena calls her grandfather, Nanu. He is her mother's father. Meena wrote a letter to Nanu about her new friend. So now we are going to see in this lesson. This letter was written on 15th July 2020. A new girl joined our class today. Miss asked her to sit in front and told the class to show her around and be friends with her. But nobody spoke to her. She was wearing a pretty bracelet and had a new bag. A new girl joined our class today. Miss asked her to sit in front and told the class to show her around and be friends with her. But nobody spoke to her. She was wearing a pretty bracelet and had a new bag. Understood? See the new girl in this? She wore her hair in two long plaits and tied with ribbons. Manu and Asim stared at her and stared at her plaits. Then they whispered to each other and laughed. She must have felt uncomfortable because she looked the other way. Here, children, you see the new girl. What is the new girl joined in her class today? Whose class? Meena's class. So Miss asked the new girl to sit in front and told the girl to show her around and be friends with her. But nobody spoke to her. Suppose if you go to a new school means what? Everything will be new to you, no? What will your teacher do? Your teacher will ask you to be friends with the girl and will ask you to show all the places in and around her. But this girl, nobody spoke to her. She was wearing a pretty bracelet and had a new bag. This is the new girl joined in the Meena's class. She wore her hair. How you are coming to school? You are putting two long plaits, no, tied with ribbons. Like that, this new girl, she tied her hair with ribbons and she wore her hair in two long plaits. You see the picture. Meena and the new girl are sitting in the class. See the boy, the students, Manu and Asim, stared at her and looked at her plates. They stared at her plates. The Manu and Asim looked at her plates. Then they whispered. Whispered means speaking in a low voice. They whispered to each other and they laughed. They laughed at the new girls. Who laughed? Manu and Asim looked at her and they whispered to each other and started laughing. How do you feel? Suppose if you are in a new school, if you are in a new situation, if anyone laughs at you means how? You will feel sad, no? So this girl also felt very sorry. She looked the other way. She looked away means she looked the other way. Understood? See the picture. Gauri, another girl in the class, she said, what she said about her? She looked proud and stuck up. Proud and stuck up means, what is the meaning for proud and stuck up? She looked as if she thought very highly of herself. she is a proud girl. Gauri, the another girl in the class, said she looked very proud. She is thinking that she is best in everything, she said. But I thought she looked lonely and sad. Here I refers to Meena. She said she looked lonely and sad. She did not know anyone. So this new girl did not know anyone. So this girl, Meena, went up to her and said hello. See the picture, how she said hello. So she went up to her and said hello. Understood? Next I will read. The new girl smiled and suddenly looked happy. I asked her to sit next to me and we started talking. I was glad that I had said hello because she is really a nice person. The funny thing is that she too is called Meena, short for Amina. She has come from Mumbai. Her mother is going to work here. The new girl, when this girl Meena said hello, she smiled and suddenly she looked happy. She looked because she is going to get a new friend. So she suddenly looked happy and Meena asked the new girl to sit next to me. Then next to her. Then they started talking. They started talking together. They discussed everything. Then she was glad that when I had said hello because she is really a nice person. This new girl is a nice person only. She is a nice person. The funny thing, what is the interesting about this was, she too is called Meena. She too is called Meena. She was also called as Meena, the short for Amina. Her actual name is Amina, but they all used to call her Meena. So this girl has come from Mumbai. This new girl has Amina. Amina, they all used to call how? Meena. She has come from Mumbai. Why she has come from Mumbai? Because her mother is going to work here. Because her mother is going to work here. Understood? We have become good friends and are interested in the same thing. We plan to do things together. We have also decided to call ourselves Meena Duo. Isn't that cool? So they became good friends. They have become good friends and they are interested in the same thing. They have planned to do everything together. So everything, they want to do everything together. If they want to do the homeworks, if they want to play, if they want to discuss, they sat together and discussed everything. So they have decided to call themselves the Meena Duo. What is the meaning of duo? Duo means pair. Duo means pair. Isn't that cool? Is it nice? No. So they decided to call themselves the Meena Duo. Isn't that cool? Understood, children? So the two girls became, see in the picture, they have become good friends and shared everything and they are interested in the same thing. They plan to do everything together. So they have decided to call themselves as the Meena Duo. How are you and Nanny? When will you visit us? So this girl Meena, in the letter, what she is asking, how are you and Nanny? Nanny means grandma, mother's mother. This girl's mother's mother. Mother's mother is called Nanny. When you are going to visit us? When will you visit us? She is asking when you and Nanny are going to. We really miss you both. I am really missing you both. How would you feel? Suppose your grandparents are with you means, if they have gone to some other place, because the grandparents only used to tell stories and all, no. While you are sleeping, what will they do? They used to tell nice stories. So she asked her grandpa, when you and Nanny are going to visit me? I really miss you both, grandpa, she said. Isn't that? Now, Grandfather is going to write a reply letter. So after 4 days, 19th July, Grandpa Nanu is going to write a reply letter to Meena. In that what he has written, let us see. I am so glad that you spoke to a new girl. It is very difficult when you first to go to a new place. Meena must have felt scared and lonely. You made her feel welcome. When you are warm and friendly towards people, they also show their love and affection for you. I am really proud of you. So grandfather told, I am so happy because you spoke to a new girl. You spoke to a new girl. It is very difficult. Suppose if you are in a new school means nobody talk with you means what will you do? You will be feeling sad. But here you spoke to the new girl. It is very difficult when you first go to a new place. So Meena must have felt scared and lonely. If no one talks with her means what? She will scared means afraid. She will be getting afraid and she felt lonely. But you made her feel comfortable. You made her feel comfortable. So when you are warm and friendly towards people, they also show their love and affection for you. Children, if you are warm and friendly towards people means, they also show love and affection for us. Understood? I am really proud of you. Nanu said, Meena, I am really proud of you. Understood? Nanny and I are busy in making different kinds of snacks and sweets for you. When we are through, we will pack them all in a big box and come to Bengaluru. I look forward to meeting the other Meena. He wrote, with lots of love, yours lovingly, Nan. So Nanny and I. So I and Nanny and I are busy making different kinds of snacks and sweets for you. Suppose your parents are supposed to come to your home means what you are? Grandpa will buy cakes. Grandpa is going to bring sweets, some snacks. They are going to bring your favorite sweets. Are you interested in eating these snacks and sweets? See the picture, children. So they are busy in making different kinds of snacks and sweets for Meena. Understood? Then, when they are now, the packing is going on. They are going to pack the sweets and snacks in a big box, and they are going to bring it to Bengaluru. Meena is in Bengaluru, so they are going to bring the snacks and sweets for you. So Grandpa said, I am very eager to see your new friend Amina. She too also called as Meena. Thank you. I think you would have understood the lesson. You go through the lesson. Those who are having the books, go through the lesson, read 2 or 3 times and find out the meaning of the hard words by using the dictionary. Try to find out the answers for the objective type questions. Okay? Thank you.